so happy, I cannot mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy, I cannot mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy, I cannot mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy, I cannot mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy.
This program is proudly sponsored by
Trinity of Art. We connect Ghana and beyond to the whole world.
Kwabna Adoma.
Memo akwaba edoba experiences in life Jumedia wo hwe. Jumedia ye to nsafre wona wako ohaw amane ensɔhwɛ osun nyinemu. Na ye ne won atena se edi abrabo mu nkomo. Na wa wo hwe me wanya bibi esua firi. Na wanya bibi di ahye ohun kran. Medofo me a medi Jumedia mu chia me ni dia eye original Nayas ba kope. Me twa me ho aba me ba ene die me bremu more levels. This year.
Welcome to Trinity of Arc. We are assisting people getting their visas to the various countries.
We are teacher, accountant, anasa office assistant. We are construction worker, plumber, driver, anasa security. Our person who took Canada, USA, UK, Europe countries. Ne amaya hodwa ekaka hunyina. And they are not for when it's Trinity of Arc Limited Company. Ya bua ema wunya ejuma accommodation. Ya sanso ebua hwese. Ubenya insurance
We are calling for people who want to study alone or to work alone. People who want to study and work at the same time.
So what person utu kwine wokoto and now person woko for visitor. When it's Trinity of Arc Limited Company. Trinity of Arc. We connect Ghana and beyond to the whole world. Medamas.
For Mudafo Nayas, me and America say.
Your friend with your floss Annan, the doubting Thomas. Me say a chinienti and I'm penny for see a cum son consua near Shia Ashe.
So, Pesa, we get Obasima.
So, open African wear, I'll be pam, I bet down for all occasions, dear.
Make camp for baby back and a dear mouth. Eya Kwabna Adoma.
Oba pam African wear dear mouth. I'm a washam not down whom I will be say yes, we a gentleman.
One more pam maniema, one more pam maniema, one more bags, one more shoes. And yet dear wouldn't ma na attitude and adia would snasia, na added trenibu.
And ya no one or Sansu or slippers.
Or more in between Hatcho and the West Legon, a ICJC, sorry, in Chenhua.
For number no keke. Now the friend, oh friend, or no wedding come or by was said the amount.
I sky gap trends, Cabanado Mamma shop back with you. Na hadie, abrotreni mankwa ene ye ton wa hase. Titru eye teki niema a eye original. Ye ton bags, shoes. Bia esiesie nipa ema wudi mu na wo ya brantie anase rabadie eye sky gap trend ba kope a omo alaji tabora wonsa nifa ho a eba African wear dia eye kwabnadoma eba brotreni ma ene tekiniema papa dia eye sky gap trends.
Hello, good afternoon. Me name Ghana for more diaspora. My twamo baby, I will be from Unisofori. I me wo US, me Miami and San, me Sansu and Nest. And come on, me no one say online digital business I costly and then I'm a person me no more check. Baby, I will be a family. That's open baby. I am open changing quantia and no any online digital business. Yeah, but the way. I dare can see a woman is a business. Who to me or baby? The answer was laptop. Computer, internet, wa connected, no one no. You were mentor ni coach. Obedi de utata kopi mutama wankasa won't say yes. Why you successful in the business? I finished one. Government member 1099. I'm one right you off for tax as a business owner. Before when you measure, it's said the business na no. So when you and so catch it. Frame me na make every detail of the business. Now once you have to me be successful, and then I'll meet you in the inside. Bye bye.
Memo makwa babiem e de mobile experiences in life with Jumedia wo hwe. Medofo ene ye dastron kra. Ene yensa aka mystic twins. Intafo mienu anyankopon ahyeda ato ma basa aseso. E di o ma basa aseso awiye bremu. Ene ye ni won e ba betwetwe nkomo afa o ma brabom nsem ho. Medofo wa wo hwe ni. kai se unni wa fidie no emfiri ha sei na before say you be wie no e wonya bibi ehia efrim nkranhye arechichire Mystic Twins.
Thank you for having us on your show.
Oh, Mystic, mo ho fe.
That's just one thing.
Me that's. Oye sure say Nayas me ho fe. Say adom ni biu. Mate se yesi mo hye mo dan mu a mpaye na Awurade hyira Nayas o. Awurade hyira Nayas o. Hyira Nayas ni kiwo. Mate ni nyina o. Na me hyira mo producer nso. Ano hyira me producer nso. Any Alpha Angels. Pamocho se bibi aboko di. Yeda mase. Mama kwaba e de moba experiences in life jumediedu. Na ye ka Mystic Twins krana. Mystic Twins e ye hwan nom na me pamocho mu free him fan so.
Okay. Mystic Twins. The twins in the self-explanatory. Wa hwe ma the word gray ya obi hu. Na Mystic no e be chichima ko akiri. Na idi ankasa na akosi agiman.
Na nakwasi agiman. Okay.
Yes. Ono so both the McMahon and Mackenzie. But usually other people have a problem mentioning it, so
okay.
We stick with the Najiman, that's fine.
Mystic Twins, and why na ye kakra, and why na ye penny?
Take a guess.
I say
guess.
David, penny.
Wrong.
Okay, it's in a penny. Now what's a son? Yeah. Penny. Okay, Mpacho, you enko ye ka say Mystic Twins are one way your wine, no move free him fan.
Okay.
Na di na sa Mystic Twins and di na sa di no mo fato mo ho.
Okay, a dino Mystic Twins no. Before say for Mystic, I say for bishop and I say cardinal and I say whatsoever no. You have to be initiated into the mystical order.
Okay.
Mystical order no. Once be come pia. Ye nkomodie ni abrabom ni me fa mu no. Ebe me abhu brea me be drew mysticism. Na ansha asia me drew Mystic Twins. Na nananom eba ne say sumansem and sha asia free ye. Before there be ansha asia kura free sumansem. Sha asia with mass service. Catholic Roman sem.
Okay.
Yes, na mass service. Na mass service ni mu no e fie die ye nyina Roman fo. Papa enwa ma Roman sisters ni Roman fathers na twem wo hia. E fie ankasa na ewo ye wo no. Eni Roman so dan share wan wo. The Immaculate Heart of Mary Parish. Kwadaso Kumasi.
Oh.
Yes, ya Sante for fu. Kumasi for pa. Enyo omo de bi omo twa omo chi na de Kumasi for. Week bia Kumasi another week ni wa kra.
Ati de bia Kumasi edi fufu.
Aha, iti no.
Abaya
Kumasi. Na.
Okay.
And a massive cinema no. PK certain kind of interest in the spiritual aspect of the Roman Catholic. Roman someone no we are so candle. Into no we ni wiase na nkasa bia we are so candle. And opa so candle. Te no maybe we certain impartation be through the saints, the archangels and the Roman yes someone mu sanete no. Na yankasa no so no na nyame frɛ we mu and say ya wo mu no it was not by normal conception. Say it take 7 months, 8 months, 9 months the wo bia you know. Yeah, my minimum for 12 months.
Hey.
Yes, which is divine. You will be
12 months and just 1 year.
Yes, a whole year. Na nipa
But not just bamboo.
I know this year mampo.
Mikuraje mensem.
But you could say of Duru Krana Banahamba.
Hey.
Yes.
Okay.
It no Nina no say there is a divine purpose. Na nyame ahye ade amaye. Na numu no and pity o na enlightenment, but enlightenment ni say ye tutu na ye sorry na ye pebibi bibia enu ayi wo wiase ye bi da agise se wo kum nipa asa nipa kra fi nsem bibia ye wo nipa bi a they grew up very fast. We are one of those people.
Oh, okay.
We grew up very fast. Into no ama ya adwen mu no mentally no we react and address situations like we have lived about 47 or 50 years. There's no in a mortal life no we are probably young men, which you can obviously tell.
Okay.
Now experiences no and a manipa nyini obi won wo nyini go 60 years and so say be abrabo mu adisuan hu no so nya free and so be so very young and so niam ba ko mienu bi na ofam no ama na adwen nim de so ate abro. So that is how it started for us. In Roman some Catholic some at the age of 15 years no and I sorry with our house help sorry na tea and now of mommy and we are massive service Roman sorry dem no na sabi sorry some like say heaven ni bonsam jim die obi ka kwase akora no ye won nchen a ope ya chosen power chow na kese Yesu ye na kese na Yesu ye body pa o uzi ye body but now we regard him more of an ascending master se nipa no wa kono no wa tenka no wo sabi bufuo wo nipa tebia say when you have a proper understanding of how God is no you will not worship a deity bosum anase nipa Yesu mu nyina no we be regard mu nyina asa mu nyina aye sabi ahotefo
okay
oni abosum nyina wo ya ahotefo and then so no ebe so we duru sam pempenso no na enye nimdie it is experiences and consultation so we beti sunsun ne kasa se ne obeti na ya kasa it say no mu say ampa we o dia bosum na ye kan o dia oh o say onye bibia we you dia ascending master or Buddhist or Krishna or Muhammad or Yesu all of these things no a spiritual enlightenment it take you 1 day it take you 2 days it take you experiences bibia if na ka ya dem pen esi ya dem pen ke say dia ni nyina mu no
e tora bi nko etumi duru ba bi e beda ni mam spain
actually I'm sorry there
na dey say kokos so bi ennam no niema no aye nante jijiji
niema bebre
what you say wo ayi kakra wo motobone kakra wo chira kakra wo sumama kakra se
the Bible the other translations of the Bible wo bi so
mo ni nyina bi na wo ni nyina bi ade na be ba wadwene mu say na ye koda na mansore ya
what you say power is not outside it's within tina yaba experiences no ye this you hun
abra bom
se wo nante ochena wo tususu bi akọ aduro bi su anasa akọ ye betre ye de be kenya bebu abam emu abam dia na to je wa
okay
ti ye de ba no
yes funny
most people entisa ne manase say duro anasa tumi eni sabe tumi ni mpesem eni kawam eni tality it is within bobo naked no and na power na nkasa no it is within nyame oni soro this is our understanding oni fem oni ha ese sunsun kunkun papa yi papa yo to sa nyum no sunsun kunkun a wotimi mu that means the Holy Spirit the divine the tumi na nkasa no etini pem enti asore dem enti abosom dem enti and etimi to free honum to bi kuro bu abosom dem so ko bu ndan bi asore dem na sabi o makohe wo basa enkyere hwe dan nipa na ehia wo the power no nipa na nkasa nipa dua na nkasa na etumi no de etini mu no na matumi no eba you know our experience in life is a lot kasa yenkan wi da niema aye hu niema ayatena se niema ayankasa de hu ko shem de unconsciously de hu ko wurem sabe logis de occult e kan nipa edwane sa niema no minnim obi o kasa o gan anu ma oni mo occult dan bi be chen yes there is no one honestly ye the grandmasters and the ones that we cannot mention most people some of our upcoming pastors our office whereby now some of them they still want to when we share our experience with them they still want to we no be present me pe you be
enti akobasa na still open no mo yema om
yes ye ne kogu musam 20 years ye papa nimpon no ene nchenchen na ene nkwa na first baby a ye nkan baby ada ene ha ke nkada na
nya na ya se show iso anka mon kan we biada
yes na enye bosom de se be yeso na bosom ba atabia bosom ba ko atayo abam
okay
abam ni ntino abam mpanyinsem no woni mpa wate ho asem da abam ni ntino intimi nda bosom intimi nda nya mebi ya nkasa no bosom anisa
tina bosom ni suma etu kwan gotu yin
aye adwuma meda no
anka boy dam no
yes dam
de bia no obi ba no ka se obi friends me spirit better die
pese
nanka bomu mienu nyina ada
yes
senka we bodam Tuesday and Friday
and abodam no people be begin abodam say we the journal sasa niam of form there is it's just a separation of the mind and body so what na kasa ho be be so obi depressed they are one step away from madness
okay
obi ewu wie na postmortem this depression am wie na and also one step away from depression obi ko ahochim financial destitution bi mu a and so etim ndam ti abodam no enye se obi bebo adaja abodam no se wankasa no you are not able to stabilize your life any aspect of your life whether business relationship whatsoever it does not matter
okay
o dress no kura on tare se be basa guess you about mo TV so yi your rough o ma abodam
you call Amsterdam na abontia se nsi obi huna nipa na ene nam Ibrahim me chia ne wife and I hu lady bi na oba na why make up bebrebe why ha red ha yellow ha green and okade Ibrahim ka say ana you ga ni o ani make up na you oboda
adrenate
yes me hu se obi aboda hu se say burger bi a as I said Italian burger bi
wa burger
bro so say but tell guys oboda na say sir you oboda minimum bi say bi a wa burger bro so enti no on ko Ghana ke bi be chena ko she pantana baby but nipa na mo no me say why overdressed because wa oboda ko do oboda you adeni ngwan bills enti no oboda
ti na bodam no de ye abodam na nye sebe it was some idea na ema you sleepwalking even up to now we have sleepwalking
okay
not here any cameras here say bia you saw na ebo campus
yeah campus yeah
it's a campus no yeah that's what yeah we say so na ma kotopan go kakra go
ti no sa nema no or you start doing it you're overdoing it becomes a problem
nim panifo mbo manyina up to age
the sleep talk
obitimi ko kitchen ya ko no aduane
yes
wadano otimi story ko no aduane ko story ni kunu say enu akoko no ayi was me
na say no de nkanya bone na wada ennem na say komodo no wate nya akwa no aduane asa
onim se wadidi onim se waso de oye no onim enti na man ye dangerous no
pano say deny o say me da bi
o yi video chere se hwe
no ni
no waso na ogina kitchen na waso gas nyina
ah o come question
enti no
mistake if say me bisa say hemfa na mo ko school mo ko dru hemfa
I go school Kumasi, I go high school, I go university menu. And yes, we have a diploma degree. Now, send a mechanic, soon some no, a pecan in them. And when it's a brand TBS to Nasabe, Yamishrawa Nase, Unyaka Kraba on Sama, you become independent very early. It's an education there. You call two, you call teaching training college. Yes, that's yes, yes, Abreport Junction, the first school go on 7th Adventist High School. And yes, I was a boys who were SDM. Sabatini, we were initiated into all that. And I we got done and then we went to Cape Poly for 2 years. I only really jai. Because now, what are you learning for? When you are going there and what you are coming to achieve, you practically have half of it. It distracts you, it doesn't make you focus. And then we went to other colleges as well. Wako or Boasi, Yokohonum. Yes, teaching training college over there. I could carry us one when we carry on. Yes, we were not paying attention to that because of say, sometimes early fortune can blind your educational focus. Especially these days, ritual killings, money for money doubling. Na on say nipa na yira kwan. Cause uswa ade o say de ma won kwa abrim no toys. Ebi 5,000 cedis. Na so pre ho na unya na eburu hu fie no so a. Wo be mishandle no. Sika na be control. Yes. Na edwa yira kwa teacher nyiku ati onim try there o say. Ka be no de bai. If you know, there's no idea of the morals. Money cannot buy. Can't minto.
Okay.
Intina, Obibia or Copresi can't tentem, a Copresi Gachi, Sikaduro, whatever. No, was the name we are secos. Or that chadi and on our pray. After Yaminum authorities, principalities, Abusumuni, Sumaya, stress or more. And Omudiamau, Abrausa, Intino, a bit do so do in your umpu, and you were unconsciously. I just saw a collar about when you know. Was your friend also to move was your banana, and I don't say, when you were mature, when we were puberty, when you're first period, no, I pray. Intino was it. We are as open house, meeting Cadabio, and I'll be was open meeting Cadabi, sir, because when you
just a Swadia Bay and a Munya womb, because the one running Memupa, and then Mobe, Cecilia Oka say, we see a Majani, Mabi Brenia, Mobania Mabi Gugumun, fingers. I read
Kabbalah bracelet, and no ones and I say, I'm for the beat to Monza.
Okay.
I don't know how we see mysticism. We are part of the mystical. We have a fraternity, inner light brothers meditation. And and we consult. You bonipa, Sanya Manyamanitino. We yanka said the Ekanino experiences no. Papa wona boni wom.
Papa wona boni.
But yendashi. Okay. Nana yendashi no. We live by rituals and codes. ɛno wɔ hɔnom na saa kokubu nsam nante we nante ne niema esuae kokubu nsam particularly no yɛne nam na yɛ sunsumsam ne nam
okay na nam asin
papa ne ba
oh okay
yes akwara sua panyin nante
yes nti no papa ne ba nante
okay
nti na so obi ono mi so bi ko nam a enye so fodwuma na one nam ye papa ne ba physical ebusunya we are family
modo no
ne ma panyin ne yɛ panyin
ne ma kwakubo nsam ma no okay mo asin say bi ya ne ma mpanifo no but enye real
enye blood
okay enye blood okay
ne ma mpanifo no yeah. And yes, you know, it wasn't more of a spiritual relationship. It was more of binded by, also, and you mujankwan, we were mujankwan, yes, say, me worry on them, papa.
As now,
yes,
I saw,
say, me yank to a problem, we all they come to us.
Oh,
yes, it's
like
the prodigal son and sometimes the prodigal father. There is always issues. Once when the path does not really align with your destiny, there's always distractions and problem. Also, we will be at now. I'm worried, but they are separated.
Mystic twins.
Yes.
Penny the medical man. Kakade some pen was in your pen was in your. And I say 12 months and your woman.
Yes.
O mama enyinsɛn ɛkyɛɛ I mean so asin saa age na mo nyi eba de wo mo amonyi ba no the experiences na mo nya up to now and then on say how was mo ye mo bibia bom saa na ntafo ni nyina ye bom ana say nuanom menti pese mo mama
okay the 12 months
kakra
automatically is an abnormal conception obviously a unique you can say abnormal a unique a divine now it comes with certain emotional and psychological bondage and so we are enslaved to each other twins yes and therefore bia no especially at the crowd say no the chini kuru no asem different so your ba na be ma oba na be ma na the chini kuru no
okay
yes oba no na yikuru so man na the feminine power that to open and marry and have children and all these things from to mo no yikuru mo na dey mbokuru and the chini be ma no when they are growing up they separate very easily because of say obano she start having feminine hormones what them is unche panyin e bi kura fa mu jare bom kura fa mu tim jare bom
okay
but men man na ma mienu die o metim jare bom a o metim aware mpo abi no no msa tv 85 ba kom yes you see it people come to our office a lot of them women go back to Germany back to France e go back to Ghana back to Abuchiri every year they find time for vacation alone
okay
separate from their children and their families yes and yes yet here
okay
and yes no because say ye ntafo a yes awo abam nti no
mo san e wo abam ti say echiriba
no abam no the spiritual connection between twins atabia obi ntafo no obi ye ngenge ba bange onko ade o ma me ye ngemi nu a it comes with certain power and this power na beba no ade a ye kora na bonatenase enye bosom
okay
people need to understand say enye bosom it is greater than gods it is greater than all these angelics all these ancestors and all these things a chance and therefore there no eni nyame na wo
oh okay
intina intimi wetimi ewura ebitu ewura sorry dem etunu so mama egu emu no because we used to be half possessed person bosom fire
person bosom famo
yes
full famo mienu nyina bom
yes full possession
oh okay
intini entiase fa ne sa abodam badan nya abodam se ne di kan kan
yeah
and then no bosom be fire it's semi possession okasa ameti on be family and me be kanema o be papa to ayi ni egu ayi and then semi possession
dey enka fam osana mutimi ke kanema bom
konfo no
enti nka cameras egu anyina mutimi ke kan bom ke kan anyina yeti bom
yan gra ti bom and then antisa bosom no ba obegina wakasa ameti so di wachi no ba wakasa meti enkoko yese you have to possess me and I have to naked myself or get this and that be asesa ntafo de no na obi na be sa obi bosom si ne so ye pa be pa ya but say wabra bo no na yesa be mo sa na obi de chenchena no obi de mbayi ekote asore e de avan kote asore e say de be de e de be enlighten people
okay into experiences ben e na munyi ya mo be mo afem
ya wo mu piti se be yeso eba no die ya adwen pa ya ka say nkora bi ha adwen ya ha adwen pa
at the age of time age ben na mo hu say
eba no I ka say ni ti ye no
mo ni ti ye no
yes eno de se na be kan no
am ha adwen
ya ha adwen
mo ho ahomete
pa
okay
enna ye hu ya ahomete more we out of control too because of say na kakra yi aba ntina wani panyin na wani akora
kakra started by the age of
Or very early because we knew how to conjure in the physical. Not
Oh,
physical.
okay. Na mo physical no.
Yes, and a physical. And a physical. You can't say my person party see. You will say physical. This is for the uneducated man who physically do it. But there is something called channeling, law of attraction.
So just a few me. I'm
power.
A few
way. And power better. And you know, and it's a kind of year BC. A few person make about $500,000 before July. Me make it. And yes, sir, it's going to be feel good. Cocoon, these things are diabolical things, and then you can want some. A year by
because a few met fee.
Yes,
or yeah, Juma.
Juma, the whole year. There's manifestation in the Waka. Catamana, dear. Catamana, a war so work at Ramaja, one Jawa Kabi and Kabi. Now, our castle over 2 feet. Over the fear no to me, the castle will see. It's kind of certain power. That power, no, and I'll bet you manifest animal. I'm an abba. And we knew how to get it. We knew how to connect the codes. Say the say roses, the rituals. We knew how to do these things. And no, if I say occult, no, occult in a brofo, 2 minutes just a secret. And I said the hinta. You said the hinta. A manipa in ya abrabuma hoto. Into luxury and comfortableness in life. And your bonny, sika and your bonny will be as so kind of first weapon.
Yeah, come baby.
Yes, and no, we knew how to manage ourselves. We knew how to sit down, stay in the house 3 months, 4 months, chant, conjure, evoke, all of that.
Chant as in how?
Chant in the beginning can one pie na you can bono.
Okay.
Mantras, repeating it time to time. Rituals, you saraka, ebi ensuo ho.
Mantras no ma won't just chanting and so ye brikaba ya yo ne sa ne ma.
Chanting na ye den.
Chanting manual.
Say bia drinking opa. I call on orange juice to fill my life every day. I call on orange juice to fill my life every day.
A mantra. Once as a man think it, so shall it be.
Okay.
And you know when you put your mind to it,
it will appear.
With a certain kind of divine power. You need divine power. The other dreams of divine power can
you can't do it.
We were powered by a divine power.
Okay.
That is the aspect of spiritual mechanism. More to be a wechira, yes, Pakian said, "Be no makasisi." It's in because many sikaria. Media share okay see binsa onye bosom onye obofo
and onye nyankopon so
oh no
nyankopon one dey kuta wiase no nyankopon no onye kremoni onye kristoni.
Okay,
that's what people need to understand. Ye ntiase mu san ye tiase fa ye nti na ka experience
no so dey afirmati nyankopon as style bia bi unya tin nyankopon ase a
you know he's not
need to onfa ho kodan sofu bi onfa ho kodan konfuo bi onfa ho kodan occult ogonde bi onfa ho kodan obi bia obiase.
You can't rely on human beings. Just that you need a mediator.
Okay.
Obi e benam no so no bema wo nya mitumi.
Okay.
And side and am nipa so and e bo nipa. Sasa anyum ya kire say nemu ani nipa ho.
Okay.
Which I like the song, but in that sense it is not reasonable. Udimi ka say unya nipa Nyankopon firi bia metoma na nipa so. Ye tiase because we went through all of that.
Okay.
Ye koda sie na ye pe bibie hu. You say yes.
Okay.
You conjured at the cemetery. You conjured at the crossroads in Quantanine.
Hey.
Yes.
Na mo da ho Quantanine.
Oh, Quantanine.
You could there on Quantanine market in Saponis.
As in naked. Na
naked. To me in nakedness.
To me nakedness.
Entina some of these
okase kawa ni nya to me. Entina oba uteti oba no trebia ye twini to ase a toma keke 20 cedis 50 cedis.
Sadia na ye adwuma on.
Oh yes, adwuma. But the depend oba kro. Aye. And then one boy say 46 and 25 no, David.
Feminine power.
Feminine power. It has to come from a genuine source. Say, utu ono the ope obema ba ko na wo bra na ja. Mo so ma tom kontom re ne ma pese e bia die.
Na the thing is,
wa fa kire bu kwase no na sa oba na ye adwuma wo. Ene wo a wo ji ntia moa, wo ji kakra, wo ji panyi, David.
And
enye adwuma.
And also dodo na Ghana no bibia use no black way, use no dark way. Ni pa dodo wa transit twa moto ase no. Ana mo de do me. Sadia no mo ye na no omutimi da ye asre nchira aba so Ghana de obi be ko ba bia na ke so ko sei nipa na so ko esa niam na ko obatana se twinto ase a no obi abu no kwase na wo esa niam no
mintwa no penny o kasa na o se mote asori nyina na asori ni yegu asori ni di se na di ntimi
asori no ye de se be kai the house help na ti
mo the house help as in how house help ya
yes ono na Nayas of mame ono no Nayas of mame ntino. See, we were young.
As in house helper, what's someone change?
Yes,
and maid. And I'm modernity, sorry.
Yes.
Okay.
Because now you're very connected to divine. We didn't want the normal things. Na per se tinya miase ye panyamesem.
Okay.
Na nyamesem so aso fo biribi asabi o mabada na kwota ye kan ho se biribi no. Nyamesem na ope no. Ebi ni call no. But opesa opepa no. Sa opepa no we mu. We are empaths. We want to do that will of God.
Okay.
Until near tinya miase no. Sorry. From there no. Etiti fellowships. Any of the adene fraternities.
Over witness nya I show white and black nya
how can some pada.
Hey. Eti mabre e wa brabo mi pese mi hu edin abre na mabre e wo mabrabo
bra ya bre no e wo say ya bedu obi a edru no ye bedu obi a edru no ya fa ne biribi mu sa ne man ne
eno bi ne ye pese ye hu ne mo
o pesika o petumi o pe adi it comes with certain consequences certain
ton huniema what the point nya ye carpet nya ye ton
ye want to more than 5 times.
You want to mention ya, you want to tell me ma afiyese. Era yesro. La sawa. You podi. You di you podi. Eso be saba na mpona. Monsan edugo mu kese.
Ye go frɛ bonsam. Ebia na ye ton ya to candle. Ebia na ye ton dia to sekan bi. Ebia na ye ton e dia konsu bi mama wata bi
akokasa. Hey.
Yes.
Ebia na di tukwan tra boda no.
Boda no. Ya ko ka ba bi. Ti say Beni ba bi. Afre via mama fa class minu akoton class minu e dis kana sende e dis kana she politics mama ayifo yi to mama ko wa ka ya nyasem bibi 207 ama 207 de kana e hia ya dis kana e dis kana aye bibi ama ade na ye wi no and this kana be fiama you just to see something that say netie everything that we have been through is through a spiritual means ade bia na ye ahwere ade bia na yakom ade suan bia esuan no if isuan sunsum kwan so
na ye betray exams in fact na papa bi na o ekramuni and was I did the musuan ide bet my mama duru kra mo be pass any first imagine a young person wo no ma me no pay school fees shortcut no ya fa bebrebe no ye person ni passion no mu se ye na yankopon ese en fanye example en kire wo ti wo no enyasa wo so baka for the same route cause bia won san ba
enyo bia na be sem e be fam akwa ba
en na ya ba betirem ama one experience enyo bia
and then matesen kofo so ba mo ho pa for sa enchrechere ne emwa eni ade nkofo ba mo ho pa ye se ekofo timi salai wo mu gate ano
na bebre no omo ba wi a omo di sun na eko cause the entire cancer na say
pen create
ye be ma wo no kure na o de intro na da utim ade ba ba be dan no kure
e ba be dan no
e bia wadwen o say I say emphasize wadwen da utim say wi ase no wo betima akọ ba bi ama ya obi afresi kama wo na ba ka do say bi say ni wa ora ho
anyway yeah the enkomo twetwe no eba wi ye na me question back we dey mo busua we as in mo parents e we hen e bia mo maame mo papa mo we hen fa
ye onua maame nsa me be 5 fati mother side no ye onua ba ho no ye maame mo most of our family are in Kumasi do Accra and e bi Holland
e man kwan
mo kwan so na mo ye me okay it's maame ne tias na papa ne tias
yes o nyina ho no ye fa de film kakra
okay
o film kakra
maame ne wo ho
maame de tias yes
te dru ba bia ya na de mo ye na ya na enye ne wanwa mo ho nye ne wanwa
first no be say de won se first no sha ade ase a na fere ye ewum be say de mo nyama bam
ese ni munyama bem
okay mpanyfo aban mu mpanyfo nyina aban ho ntini se no enya fere ye biem first na se be be ase ide na tamu yi ide but say no enti sa
mo ya ade because me titirufo a je se o mutu ana mo ba mo ho na che se nyame wo hira mo nyankopon onhira mo pass ye to nsa frɛ mo a mo ba na me pacho ye be kwi mo mo asem nyina atofa afutu e ma hwefo a wo mo ehwe mo na mo wi a mo telephone number mo de atudwa ma ye mo kira kwan nyina
yo me da sepa me nyaba kakra me ka kire obi bia o tie se we a young person we talk to the young people more because on na watayira kwan on na wo hwe TV akese social media any platform bia nipa ebo mo safon hin se me otumi me je won kwa me be all these things and young person the young person are from age 15 to 45 nya young people and obi antie men ko di bibi achi ne ka bibi a ne sei esom edom ade bi e fa sunsum sam mu a ede wo ba yira kwan no men ko di achi na ba den so no hu nyina sa wo tie wo hu atie wo akoma mu de na e kire wo bompa e kire Nyankopon Nyankopon na bi kan kan no only offering only fees only consultation fee only odwan only akokọ only so seed ukasa tere wo ho Nyankopon emma wo daye so free of charge and Nyankopon dey ache kwa se na nkwa nketo ampo nyini a mama yenu am so daye daddy yenu am so daye free a charge Nyankopon dey amaye to wo daye so mu no ubenya ntiase na wate Nyankopon assistant bia bi akra pese me dija obi bia
yo but your telephone number so be sure more any mo kira kwan
0247903263 0247903268 Ufreya inkomodidi bia ye bedi na kire be bia yeso ye office wa obiti
telephone number no fa to dwabi mama why
0247903263 0247903268 the numbers no was it.
Oh, Mystic Twins, my handsome interfo. Ewiye mre mu Nyankopon ede mo abasa si so for gie. Nyame onhyira mo. Se me to nsafrɛ mo. Me ne me crew nyina to nsafrɛ mo a bye. Everything for aha ena emre no ebe makwan ne de dwumedie no esie. Me a me de dwumedie mu chia me. Me din a eye original Nayas. Back up.
Welcome to Trinity of Arc. We are assisting people gaining their visas to the various countries.
We are teacher, accountant, anasa office assistant. We are construction worker, plumber, driver, anasa security. Our person who took Canada, USA, UK, Europe countries. Ne amaya hodwa ekaka hunyina. And they are not for when it's Trinity of Arc Limited Company. Ya bua ema wonya ejuma accommodation. Ya sanso ebua hwese. Ubenya insurance
We are calling for people who want to study alone or to work alone. People who want to study and work at the same time.
So what person utu kwine wokoto and now person woko for visitor. When it's Trinity of Arc Limited Company. Trinity of Arc, we connect Ghana and beyond to the whole world. Medamas.
For Mudafo Panayas, me and America say.
Your friend with your floss Anan, the doubting Thomas. Me say Echinienti and Pennyfosi Kum Sonko Sua, near Shia Ashe.
So, Pesa, we get Obasima.
So, open African wear, I will pam, I bet down for all occasions, dear.
Make camp for baby back up and a dear mouth. Eya Quabna Adoma.
Obe pam African wear dear mouth. I'm a washam not down whom I will be say yes, we a gentleman.
One more pam maniema, one more pam maniema, one more bags, one more shoes. And yet, dear wouldn't ma, not attitude, and Adia would snasia, not added you.
And ya no one, or Sansu or slippers.
Or more in between Hatcho and the West Legon, a ICJC, a sorry in Chenhua.
For number no keke. Now the friend, or no wedding come, or by was said the amount.
Highest Sky Gap Trends, Campanato Mamma shop back na hadie abrochire niema nkoa ene yeton wa ha sei titru eye teki niema a eye original yeton bags shoes se bibia esiesie nipa ema wudi mu na wo ya brantie anase rabadie eye Sky Gap Trend back up a omo alaji tabora wonsani fa hwa eba African wear dia eye kwabnadoma eba abrochire niema ene teki niema papa dia eye Sky Gap Trends.
Hello, good afternoon. Me name Ghana for more diaspora. My twamo, baby, I will be from Unisofori. I me was US, me Miami and Sam, me Sansu and Nayas. And come on, me no one say online digital business I cost and then I'm a person me no more check. Baby, I will be a family. That's open baby, I am open changing quantia and no any online digital business. Yeah, but who the way. I dare can see a woman is a business with me or baby. The answer was laptop. Computer, internet, wa connect and no one no. You were mentor ni coach. Obedi de utata kopi mutama wankasa won't say yes. Why you successful in the business? I finished one. Government member 1099. I'm one writing off for tax as a business owner. Before many measure, as I said, the business na no. As so when you and so catch it. Frame me na make every detail of the business. Now also up to me be successful. And then now I'll meet you in the inside. Bye bye.
I can't remember,
Medafo, I Sasani awa winimono. Yeni a guest at a chink on where we share my bossy area, and a yen saka, a Dr. Emmanuel Hobson, Reverend Minister, I counseling psychologists, I our year conflict and ADR experts, or sign Eda founder CEO Center for Peace and Reconciliation. No, Medafo. Our year electoral ewo LLM ewo University of Ghana yane no eba betwe twenkomo medofo enyi wa fidie no mfiri awate manenda heya ye doctor ho ni yane no akakọ twenkomo doctor yes and then say that for some kokra
wonderful
hey,
good to see you again.
Thank you the bia no I nice
thank you, it's grace.
Doctor. And then so that for first one kokra na mijidi so ha as in psychologists yeah na me pese bibisa say e de niema e na nipa ekomu a we here to say psychologists.
Okay, in human life for those of us who believe in what we call the trichotomy, which is
trichotomy,
which means that human being is a spirit.
Okay.
Having a soul and living in a body. So that is the trichotomy.
Oh, okay.
With that belief, and there are some people who also believe that human being is soul and body, which are the dichotomists.
Okay,
dichotomists. And then we have people who also believe that people are both dichotomy and trichotomy. Ooh. So we call those beliefs as tridichotomies, which means that the very human being is a spirit, he has a soul and live in a body. Others said human being is a spirit and also have a soul. And some also believe that the two are together.
Oh, okay.
So there are a lot of research going on to understand some of these things. However, if we look at the human being from a perspective, you realize that the human being per se is not the body we are seeing. Ooh. The human being itself lives in the body.
Okay.
The body is just an envelope in which the human being is living. That is why when I lie here right now and my soul and my spirit leaves me, when you call the body Dr. Hobson, it won't respond again.
Okay.
Which is to tell you that it is not just the body that is called Dr. Hobson.
Okay.
The Dr. Hobson that is in the inside is that one which has gone out of the body. That is why the body is just lying there, lifeless. Good. So if that is the understanding, then certainly, even when you look at it from medical point of view, you realize that World Health Organization has even established that the diseases, the sicknesses we go through in life, 85% of it is psycho-emotional and stress related. This is to say that what we go through in the inside is what is much more bigger than what happened on the outside. So this is also to establish that then indeed the human being is much more in the inside than on the outside.
On the outside,
So therefore, if we only look at what people go through from just a physical perspective, when the person physically is not having food to eat, is not having dress to wear, is not having a house to live in, is not having a car to drive, is not having marriage, is not having a child, then we think that is what people are going through as problems. But far apart from that, you can see people have cars, they have money, they have everything, yet what they are going through in the inside is much more than what you can think about. Now, another issue is that we need to understand as human beings, while you are getting into adulthood, you and I, as we are sitting here, you have 60,000 thoughts that goes through your mind every day. Even more.
Oh, okay.
I also have more than 60,000 thoughts that goes through my mind every day.
Yeah.
Not all these 60,000 thoughts are all positive.
Okay.
Some may be negative,
yeah.
and even much more will be more negative than even positive. Because one of the functions of our brain is to protect us. So the brain, in its function to protect us, trigger negative things that are possibly to happen to us. For us to trigger the hormones or the energy that will help us to protect, preserve, and make us not to fall into some of these difficulties. This is to therefore say that if I have 60,000 thoughts going through my mind every day, and I have my wife, 60,000 thoughts that I need to manage, and I have my children, 60,000 thoughts each, and I have to manage. I have my students at the university, and I have to help them manage their mind. I have my staff that I need to help them manage. Can you imagine 60,000 thoughts times the number of people that I need to deal with in my life? So if today we are sitting here, you are nicely dressed, holding your this thing and interviewing me, and I also have the best frame of mind, and I'm responding to your questions, it is grace. Because it is only thin line between sane and insane. So things we go through in life can come from our personal challenges, relationship issues, things going on within ourselves, family issues, career issues, sicknesses, financial issues, issues with family, our life cycle issues. We are not growing any younger. How you used to feel when you were young, you are feeling differently when you are getting older, and you are facing different kind of challenges. When you are getting a bit more older, various chemicals are changing within the body system, and you begin to worry about certain things, and you begin to think about certain things. So there are a lot of things that have swaddled us that will make people not make meaning of life. And for that matter, on one way or the other, we need somebody to talk to explain ourselves to, what we are going through, for somebody to help us. Then come another challenge of who to trust, who to talk to, who have the expertise to be able to listen. And some people just want somebody to listen to them so that they can pour their heart of what they are going through, and then they can be balanced to move on in life.
Thank you, Dr. That's my next question here. Say be a twins and I say couple. Na omuye bibia boom. Say koba se ba ku ni ho no mo a edien e na esi. Okay,
if we talk about twins, when we talk about couple, these are two different things.
Omuye bibia boom. Na say koba se ba ku ni ho no mo a.
When we talk about twins, there are a lot of mysteries. Some are true, some are lies, some are people's imagination, some are people's thought, some are from belief system, which not all of them are true. And then when we talk about couple, people that are married and they are husband and wife, their bond is also a different thing. One is genealogical, one is physical, spiritual, a bond of commitment for a relationship. There may be different challenges that these two people may have. What twins may have as a problem or as a challenge will be different from the problem that couple will have. Now, when we come to couple relationship, I want to say that is the biggest problem we have in the world today.
In the world, not only in Ghana, in the world.
In the world today. Marriage, family. In fact, that is why it is said that family is the womb that gives birth to the society. So whatever we are seeing in the society today is out of what the family is bringing forth. So if the family is wrong, society will certainly be wrong. And then also our background, where we grow up from, things we go through, experiences we have, people we have seen, people we have looked at as a role model, and experiences we have as persons, and how we end up projecting ourselves for people to accept us. Some of them can be lie. You will dress in a certain way for people to think you are a rich man or a rich woman. Meanwhile, it's a lie. It is just a make-believe. All these things matters in our relationship for us to be able to stay together. In the nutshell, we need to be true to ourselves and value relationship so that we are committed to it.
That's so about depression and trauma now. To say I'm say a high titri young girls na yabano. Our realm if film just say a jumem it's getting too much. Kobasa na and wabe na biti media boy.
Okay, in actual fact, even last year alone, we have dealt with a lot of suicide cases. And when we talk about suicide, we are not only looking at people who hang themselves or stab themselves or kill themselves. Apart from that, there are a lot of people that are going through different level of challenges in life, very serious, and are so depressed and have killed themselves in the inside, and that is what we call suicide ideation. Where the person is a human being living, but in the inside, life is worthless. Such people are more dangerous than people who hang themselves and die. This is because when the person has killed himself in the inside, he's no more sensitive. She's no more sensitive to anything that is happening or is doing. So they can now do things in order to make other people that are sensitive to want to kill themselves. So depression is something that we need to look at very carefully because before the person thinks about suicide or think about anything to harm themselves, the person must have reached a level of depression. And this is how it works. When the person realizes that what I am going through in life, it is like I am in a room. Windows are closed. Doors are closed. There is no way I can get out of this problem that I found myself in. So the only way I can get out of it is to take myself out. To contact us when you are going through any form of life challenges and difficulties and you want somebody to talk to, or professionally want to help yourself. Those who are preparing to get into marriage, yes, this is the opportunity for you to be able to understand and to know how to handle it. So if you want any of these assistance for your life, you can call 0244 907190.
Okay, 0244 907190.
Yes.
For more than baby, I will be a doctor. Not afraid because any depression, bipolar, just say near my baby, I cause you nipa ya dream money ya brabumuno, ya na a hard journey. Nyankopon unshroud, said Doctor Meton Safreo, Dr. Hobson. I mean, Shrawati, Yenia Sododo, Sabrina bringing a ton Safrewa, Oba. Now, boy, or experiences in life, Jimmy Diesel.
Thank you very much.
I was here for aha ena emreno ebema kwan na yedi Jimedino. Esi. And I see Uncle Yaboafo one asoyasin. Se ope travel and tour, papa. We kululu biye ni hu. Na eye genuine dia. Eye Trinity of Ark Limited Company. On location ewo kaswa. Baby bia wo bia. Pomodian se obefre one number. It was 0244 06 2389. 0244 06 2389. Trinity of Ark. They are the best travel and tour. Shisha went through coin. Baby bia wo bia. Cameras are who will be a upe biano. Pomodian se obeshe CJ Multimedia. One location ewo La Paz. CJ Multimedia. Ye bema we equipment a papa black magic light a papa. But of baby a will be a or your wedding engagement party ana baby a pesa utwa movie pesa o production big production na enko baby a hwehwe CJ multimedia afi atari ehemi eye kwabna adoma one branch in between West Legon and Ehachu ICGC asori ntem ho a ena omwo one branch ba kon so Sky Gap Trains abruchi ne manko a ena wo ho na se ba African wear dia ene eye kama African wear ya hyeda apempam ato ye bo ase apempam ewo ye memu ha si frekwabna adoma one number ewo 0243364633 manimi eye GH makeover chef one number is 0202898369 GH mix chef so your wedding engagement baby up modern na free one enwi ehemi every change beauty lounge but modern na free one number is 0546366711 I change beauty lounge say baby a wo bia no obi hye unwi kama so wa brochi so wo he otonsa efrew I wo abelempi ehonomo a na wonwo medafo Parkview Hotel say waye krado amam so wa brochi baby a wo Ghana ha baby a na wo pe baby ada ama wasoma jodie baby ba ko pe o Parkview Hotel ati wo mo pillar 2 Cable to Junction honomoa but modiana contact wo number 0248699147 Parkview Hotel baby bia wo bia sa wo pe baby adama wasoma jo na why you safe security ye tight omaduane ye de omo bibia ye kama dia but modiana contact wo number 0248699147 me am di jumedi mu chiame ni dia original Nayas ba ko pe dasane ibishia akramu
I'm so happy watching I'm mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching I'm mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching I'm mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching I'm mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching I'm mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching I'm mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching I'm mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching I'm mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching I'm mesmerized by you guys.
This program is proudly sponsored by
Trinity of Earth. We connect Ghana and beyond to the whole world.
Eye kwabna adoma